Okay guys, I'm going to show you something today that's not like you'll see any manufacturer or anything recommend. Maybe ladder creep, but if that, basically I take the Schluter flange here. I'm going to take some sandpaper, whatever you got, you know, laying around. I'm going to scuff it up real good, and then I'm going to paint a coat of Hydroban on it. When I go to set this drain, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread a thin layer of thin set on the flange, and then put my glue it in there, and let the glue dry for about a minute, 2 minutes, so that it holds it in place, nothing's moving. Then I'm going to pack loose mud under here, in between the thin set and the mud. It's going to be completely bonded together. You know, the orange guys just say you don't need to do anything with this flange. Just take loose mortar and pack it under here, which does work. But I like to take this next step further, make sure I actually bond the flange to the mortar bed. That way nothing can move here. Scuffed up pretty good. Just gonna clean it off. That's it. One coat on there, thin coat. Let it dry. Be good to go. Make sure I don't get any chunks here. Wipe those out.